For today, I was scheduled to take my phone to a phone service in Bruges, but how can you resist sunshine? It's a great opportunity to wear your shades, come to the sea, do some street workout. And I don't know, these people around me looks a little much more warmer dressed than me. Probably we have different pain tolerance, or they don't know the dress code. And the dress code is we don't have a dress code. So far I couldn't continue my jiu-jitsu journey because it's not priority at this moment in my life. But I'm able to reach this street workout park, which is really close to my beliefs. I believe in healthy body, healthy spirit, and the wind, the air, the atmosphere is very odd. And over there is the street workout park and my bicycle. Put a monster sticker on it. Yeah, it's a little monster. Actually, I'm never alone here working out. I just call him Silent Bob. He's pretty silent and very consistent. He's always here when I'm here. And I'm a little bit jealous sometimes because pretty girls come here, hug him, make pictures with him. I'm like, what the heck, bro? So let me introduce you guys. Silent Bob. Like I said, he's very consistent. So what is this channel about? Some people ask me when I ask them, would you take a look at my YouTube? This channel is about me. This channel is about being real, being true, being honest, and a great chance to create connections. And I don't want to motivate people. Sometimes it's hard to motivate myself also. But let's say if you feel dark or if you don't feel a little bit alone, it's a pretty decent few minutes. Maybe cheer you up, maybe gives you extra energy. So this is Oostende, my favorite street workout park here in Belgium. And this is my place where I can heal my wounds, when I can put myself in the proper mindset and live to fight another day. Love you, Kairi. Bye bye.